What up? Want to learn how to make ramen real fast? I'm going to teach you how to make it the fastest. Now most people, they say, Brian, why wouldn't you just make it in a bowl? What are you doing with a cup here? Turns out, it's faster to make it in a cup. I learned that at work. Now if you're anything like me, you're late a lot. You gotta eat fast. So what do you eat? Ramen, of course. This brand. Don't go with Top Ramen, it's lame. So the first thing you gotta do is pop that packet open, and I'm gonna do that in a second. Alright, the packet's popped. Look at that. There's your block of ramen. So the first thing you're gonna need to do, well, take the fork out for a second. Pop this in half. I gotta do it with one hand, you shouldn't. Alright, there we go. And you drop both halves into the cup. You gotta just kind of squish them in there. It'll be fine. Don't worry about it. And then I'm gonna pour all that in there as well, the scraps. Don't cook this. I did that once. I cooked this once. Doesn't go well. Don't do it. Alright, now that you got your spare bits all thrown into the cup with all the other stuff in it, like, you know, it's all in there. So I tossed it all in. Separate this. And then, you're gonna take this and you're gonna fill it with water.
12 seconds later.
So about halfway to the top, you're gonna fill it with water. You feel me?
6.5 hours later.
Alright. Now you're gonna need a microwave. Alright? You're gonna toss that baby in there. Now, the best thing you really should do is put a paper plate underneath it. I don't have one, but you should, just because this is probably gonna boil over, and water's gonna get all over this. So I'm gonna have to get some paper towels for after that, and that'll be good.
1 eternity later.
Alright, I got the paper towels. I'm gonna set them on up there. Now you're gonna want to put this baby in for about like I want to say like a minute and a half to 2, depending on the strength of your microwave. I don't remember this one. And then you're gonna just hit your little start button, and off it'll go. So a problem that I had the first time I filmed this, I used a disposable plastic cup. You know, the red Solo cups that are in every single like movie about being in college. Yeah. I put one of those in there and did this trick, and it melted. The cup melted, like it went from like a full-size cup and it shrunk, and it got real small. So that was neat. And I was going to like try to eat it, but like I didn't, because I wasn't sure, like, I don't really want to get cancer or something, you know? Like, I don't know what's in plastic. It's probably not good for you. It's just a bad time. You feel me? Ah, there it is. Now, as you can see, it did leak this time. Told you it was gonna. Now, this is really hot, so you should probably get one that has like a handle. I was smart about it this time. No meltable cups. And there's that. Like an intelligent human being, we're going to clean up our mess, and we'll just leave that for a minute because that's really hot too. Now, you're not quite done. It's a pretty easy process. You're gonna want to stir that up around. Just make sure it's all nice and soft. Noodles are pretty soft to me, and I think that's all set. Now, what I've already gone and done, because I only have one hand while I'm filming, is I've opened this little packet that you should not cook in your ramen, but you're going to pour it into your tasty stew, your soup. What's the difference between a stew and a soup? I don't actually know. There you go. Now you're gonna have to mix it around. I can't really do that effectively with one hand. So here's the look of it now. I'll give you a look at it when it's done. And we're back. Now, like a responsible human being, I've already gone and cleaned up my mess and took care of everything up here and stacked it in a pile over there, because they removed the trash cans from this room because they think for some reason we in Washington don't need trash cans anywhere but the bathroom. So we have that going for us. So, here's the finished product. You can travel with it, you can eat it, it's there. It's a full meal right there. Only takes like 2-3 minutes depending on the size of the strength of your microwave. Easy to prepare meal, tasty stuff. And I'm gonna go enjoy this now. I guess I'm gonna go enjoy this at like midnight. So, you know, there you go. Yay.